Now that you have learned so many useful and valuable tools for DevOps engineers, it's time to dive into the next technology, which is becoming more and more demanded in the DevOps space, and will definitely make you a valuable candidate as a DevOps engineer. And that is Python. So with that, welcome to the Python section of this bootcamp, which consists of learning the main concepts of programming with Python and learning how to automate some common DevOps tasks also with Python. First, we will go through a big picture overview of why you as a DevOps engineer would need to learn programming, as well as see some specific examples of what tasks you would want to automate with Python as a DevOps engineer. Python is the most popular programming language out there and is used for so many different industries, like web development, data science, machine learning, or generally for writing automation programs to automate repetitive tasks. So learning Python is definitely a good idea. Let me give you a short overview of all the topics I'll cover in this course. After giving a short introduction to Python, we will start with the basic building blocks of programming. The most important data types like strings, numbers, lists, sets, dictionaries, Boolean data types, etc., and how to work with them. Learn about variables and functions and why we need them. Write a program that accepts user input and learn how to validate the user input using conditionals. Error handling with try except, and also learn loops with while and for loops, and again why we actually need them. You will learn all these concepts with hands-on examples. As a next step, you will learn how to modularize your program by writing your own modules and then see how to use some built-in Python modules. With all this knowledge, we can then build our next demo project to write a small program that accepts a goal and a deadline as user input and then outputs the number of days remaining till the goal deadline. Within this exercise, you will learn how to use the datetime module to work with dates. After that, you will learn about packages and comparison of package versus module, and we will use an external Python package in our next demo project, in which we will automate some tasks for working with a spreadsheet file. Finally, we dive into object-oriented programming. You will learn what classes and objects are in programming and Python specifically, and why this concept is so useful. In the final demo project, you will learn another common use case with Python, which is communicating with other applications over the internet by making a request to fetch some data from GitLab API. In this specific case, we will list the GitLab projects of a specific user. I'm really excited to teach you all of this, so let's get started.